Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Tesla Model Y door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a T20 Torx bit. Next, gently pry off the small plastic trim piece located behind the interior door handle. Once that trim is off, you will find two T20 Torx screws. Carefully unscrew both of these to prepare for the next step. With the screws removed, begin to gently pry around the perimeter of the door panel using your trim tools. Work slowly to release the clips holding it in place. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors, especially those for the window switch and door lights. Finally, lift the entire panel upwards to fully disengage it from the door frame. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. Quick recommendation: if you're working on your car, having a digital manual is super handy. Read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for keeping all your repair guides accessible. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Before completely removing the panel, you must detach the door handle cable. This usually involves unhooking it from a small lever mechanism. Double-check that all wiring harnesses are disconnected to avoid any strain or damage. Once everything is free, carefully set the door panel aside in a safe place where it won't be scratched or damaged during your work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.